holding us down, pushing our shoulders in, pulling us to the light, toasting our backs in the sun. Now I'm waiting to hear my next call. We got all this